If you've ever woken up stiff, felt that familiar ache in your knees as you climb the stairs, or simply noticed your joints protesting more easily these days, you're far from alone. While conventional medications certainly have their place, an equally powerful and far gentler way to soothe inflammation lies in a steaming mug of herbal tea. For centuries across cultures, healers have turned to plants to calm joint pain, mellow muscle soreness, and melt away stiffness from the inside out. Today, let's explore 5 time-tested brews: ginger, turmeric, chamomile, peppermint, and green tea, and unpack exactly how each one brings antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, circulation-boosting, or muscle-relaxing compounds to your joints. With every sip, ginger tea stands out as both a comfort drink and a potent inflammation fighter. At the heart of its magic is gingerol, a bioactive compound that researchers have shown can shut down key inflammatory cytokines and enzymes. Think of it as pressing the off button on the body's internal fire alarm. When you slice fresh ginger root, steep it in hot water for 10 minutes, and strain it into your cup. You're creating a brew that not only warms your insides but also floods your bloodstream with powerful anti-inflammatory molecules. Many people with arthritis or chronic joint pain report that a daily mug of ginger tea eases morning stiffness and reduces swelling around the joints. Beyond its inflammation-quelling action, ginger also encourages better circulation. Improved. Blood flow means oxygen and nutrients arrive at your joints faster, while waste products and inflammatory byproducts are whisked away more efficiently. The ritual of sipping a cup of ginger tea, perhaps spiced with cinnamon, sweetened just enough with honey, and brightened by a squeeze of lemon, can become a daily moment of self-care that soothes both body and mind. Over time, those little daily boosts add up to noticeable improvements in flexibility, less reliance on painkillers, and a renewed sense of joint freedom. Next on the list is turmeric tea, sometimes called golden milk, when made with warm milk or milk alternatives. Turmeric owes its fiery hue and most of its health benefits to curcumin, a natural anti-inflammatory agent that some clinical trials have shown to rival non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, in reducing joint pain and swelling. Curcumin works by blocking inflammatory pathways and scavenging free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cartilage over time. To make turmeric tea, whisk a teaspoon of turmeric powder into hot water or milk. Add a pinch of black pepper, which increases curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%, and finish with a touch of honey or maple syrup. When sipped twice daily, this golden brew has been reported to ease knee pain, improve range of motion, and stave off the cartilage breakdown that leads to arthritis. Beyond joints, turmeric tea's steady anti-inflammatory effect also supports liver detoxification and may even help modulate your immune system, making it a perfect evening wind-down or mid-afternoon pick-me-up. For those seeking something gentler, chamomile tea offers a soothing, floral-scented elixir that calms both mind and joints. Its primary active ingredient, apigenin, has mild anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that dampen joint swelling without the risk of digestive side effects. A warm cup of chamomile in the evening can ease tension around stiff shoulders or keep leg cramps at bay while also promoting deeper sleep. Crucial, because quality rest accelerates the body's natural repair processes. To prepare, steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried chamomile flowers, or a tea bag, in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. If you like, stir in a sliver of fresh ginger or a dash of cinnamon to amplify its warming effect. Over weeks of nightly sipping, many individuals notice reduced joint soreness on waking, fewer muscle spasms, and even a gentler, more balanced mood, because chronic pain and inflammation are intimately linked with stress and sleep quality. Peppermint tea brings a bright, menthol-tinged freshness that works wonders for relieving muscle tension and soothing acute flare-ups. The menthol in peppermint acts as a natural analgesic and mild muscle relaxant. Imagine the cooling sensation of an ice pack, except delivered gently from within. After a long day or an especially strenuous workout, Brewing a cup of peppermint. Tea can help relax the muscles surrounding your joints, reduce inflammation, and dull the perception of pain. To brew, steep fresh peppermint leaves, or a tea bag, for 7 to 10 minutes, then strain and sip. Some find that adding a few slices of cucumber or a sprig of fresh basil deepens the refreshing effect. Creatively, you can even blend cooled peppermint tea into a hydrating spritzer with sparkling water and a splash of lime. Whether you're nursing a sprained ankle, dealing with chronic joint ache, or simply want to unwind tight, overworked muscles, peppermint tea offers a refreshing path to relief. Our final brew, green tea, may be the most studied of all for its wide-ranging health benefits. Rich in polyphenols, especially a catechin called EGCG, epigallocatechin galat, green tea not only neutralizes free radicals, but also inhibits the enzymes that break down cartilage. Drinking 2 to 3 cups per day has been linked to slower progression of osteoarthritis, better preservation of joint tissue, and reduced pain scores in clinical trials. Green tea also supports metabolism and may aid in weight management, an important side benefit since carrying excess weight increases the mechanical load on your knee, hip, and spine joints, accelerating wear. To prepare, steep 1 teaspoon of loose leaf green tea or a high-quality tea bag in water just under boiling, about 175 degrees, for 2 to 3 minutes to avoid bitterness. Add a slice of lemon, a sprig of fresh mint, or a few goji berries for extra antioxidant power. Sipping green tea throughout the day creates a gentle, continuous blockade against inflammation, making it an ideal companion for anyone seeking long-term joint protection. Incorporating these 5 herbal teas into your daily rhythm is as simple as replacing 1 cup of coffee, soda, or sugary snack with a nourishing, healing brew. Over weeks and months, the cumulative anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, circulation-boosting, and muscle-relaxing effects can help ease chronic joint pain, reduce reliance on pain medications, and support more vibrant, active living. As with any natural remedy, consistency is key. Aim for at least 1 cup of your chosen tea each morning, afternoon, or evening, mixing and matching varieties to suit your taste and timing. Always listen to your body. If you experience any digestive upset or sensitivities, adjust the strength, timing, or ingredients. For instance, swapping in peppermint for ginger if you have reflux. And of course, these teas work best when paired with other healthy habits. Regular low-impact exercise like walking or swimming, a balanced anti-inflammatory diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, and adequate sleep. To let your body's own repair mechanisms kick in. Nature has given us an array of powerful, delicious teas, each with its own unique flavor profile and healing toolkit for supporting joint health without side effects. Whether you crave the warmth of ginger, the golden glow of turmeric, the gentle calm of chamomile, the fresh zing of peppermint, or the antioxidant punch of green tea, there's a natural brew waiting to become part of your self-care ritual. So next time your joints ache or your muscles feel tight, skip the quick-fix store-bought remedies and brew a cup of herbal therapy. Your joints and your senses will thank you.